Trauma recovery teaches you to be grateful for things that you never thought you would be grateful for. Like, people going around like, I'm thankful for my coffee. And I'm like, oh, I'm thankful for regulation in my vagus nerves. I'm grateful that my cranial nerves are functioning. I'm grateful that my left and right brain hemispheres can communicate through my corpus callosum. I'm grateful that I can speak and I'm not having selective mutism like I used to have. I'm grateful that I have access to my language centers. I'm grateful that I can stand and actually feel my feet on the ground. I'm grateful that I have orientation in time and space. I'm grateful that I can hear a startling sound without having a panic attack. I'm grateful that there's blood and oxygen flowing through my brain because I used to not experience that. I'm grateful that I know who I am because I used to not have access to that implicit memory data. Like trauma recovery teaches you to be grateful for things that like you never thought you'd be grateful for. So on behalf of all the magical unicorns in the world, cheers to neurobiological applications of consciousness and their multitude of miracles that create everyday life experiences that most people don't even think about.